Hi, this is Lee at IELTS, and in this video we'll be looking at introductions for writing task 1. We will use a line graph to demonstrate how to write a writing task 1 introduction. However, writing task 1 introductions are similar in structure. In our example, it shows the number of bicycle riders in 4 different countries in Europe between 1990 and 2010. If we have a look down at the very bottom of the graph, we can see that the legend tells us that the countries are France, Germany, Belgium, and Italy. Looking at the x-axis, we can see the years between 1990 and 2010. And to the left-hand side, we can see the y-axis, and it shows us the number of bike riders in the tens of thousands. First thing we're going to do is we're going to analyze the question. The graph below shows the number of bicycle riders in 4 different countries in Europe between 1990 and 2010. In writing task 1, the questions all have very similar structures. They tell you what type of graph or diagram you're looking at, what the diagram shows or illustrates, where, and when. Always check when, because you want to make sure that you have the right tense. Continue analyzing by looking at the graph. Look at the heading. This can help you with paraphrasing what the graph shows. Look at the x-axis. This tells you the period of time. This is found at the bottom of the graph. Look at the y-axis. This tells you how the graph is measured. This is found at the left of the graph. Finally, look at the legend. This will give you key information. This is usually found to the right of the graph. This information will help you write a more detailed introduction. After you've finished analyzing and planning, move on to writing your introduction. Start by writing what type of graph it is. So if it is a line graph, say the line graph. If it is a bar chart, say the bar chart. And if it is a process diagram, say the process diagram. This gives you one extra word that goes towards your word count, and it also makes it clear what kind of graph or diagram you're writing about. Next, instead of using a synonym of show or illustrate, use compare. The question asks us to make comparisons where relevant, and we're going to start by putting compares right in the very first sentence. Next, just paraphrase what the graph shows as best you can. Give the dates, say where the information is from. When you're giving the dates and saying where the information is from, these can go in either order. It just adds an extra layer of paraphrasing. And finally, you can say what the units are measured in, however, this is optional. Let's look at a couple of examples. The line graph compares the number of people who rode bicycles between 1990 and 2010 in 4 countries: France, Germany, Belgium, and Italy. Units are measured in the tens of thousands. For a variation on a theme, just like in music, we can do the same in our writing. The line graph compares the number of people who rode bicycles in the tens of thousands in France, Germany, Belgium, and Italy between the years 1990 and 2010. And now, the final word. Read the question rubric, as this will help you write your introduction. Writing task 1 introductions are just a paraphrase of the question. The question usually has the same format. It will tell you what the graph shows, where, and when. Don't forget to analyze the graph. This contains more features to help you write a more detailed introduction. To write introductions quickly, you must practice. I cannot stress this enough. Practice makes perfect. Good luck. This has been Lee at IELTS. I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.